Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you dream of traveling the world, exploring new places, experiencing different cultures, and making memories that last a lifetime. But there's one big question that always comes up: how can you make money while traveling? Well, in today's video, I've got you covered with 10 amazing ways to make money on the go. So, let's jump in. First up, freelancing. If you have a skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, social media management, or web development, freelancing is a great way to earn money from anywhere. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients looking for your expertise. You can set your own rates, choose your projects, and work from your laptop, no matter where you are. Not only is freelancing flexible, but it also gives you the chance to build a global network and portfolio, all while working on your own schedule. Next up, remote jobs. Many companies are embracing the digital nomad lifestyle, offering fully remote positions. Whether it's customer support, virtual assisting, or project management, there are tons of opportunities out there. Websites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs are excellent places to find remote roles that pay well and allow you to travel. With a stable remote job, you can maintain a steady income and explore new destinations without worrying about how you'll fund your next adventure. And if you're a native English speaker, online teaching is a fantastic way to make money while traveling. Companies like VIPKid, italki, and Cambly connect you with students around the world who want to learn English. You can set your own hours, work from anywhere, and have meaningful conversations with people from different cultures. Some platforms even provide the lesson plans for you, so you can focus on teaching and connecting with your students without the prep time. If you're passionate about sharing your travels and experiences, content creation might be your ticket. Whether it's vlogging on YouTube, posting travel pics on Instagram, or making TikToks, social media can be a powerful platform for monetization. Once you build an audience, you can make money through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. It takes time to grow an audience, but with consistent content and engagement, you can turn your travel lifestyle into a profitable side hustle. Similar to content creation is travel blogging. If you love writing, sharing your travel experiences through a blog is an excellent way to earn money. You can make money through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and even selling your own digital guides or ebooks. With platforms like WordPress, Medium, or Substack, you can easily start your blog and share your journey with the world. Now, if you're thinking about staying in a destination for a longer period of time, working holiday visas might be the solution. Countries like Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and many in Europe offer these visas, which allow you to work while you travel. You can pick up jobs like bartending, teaching, or even fruit picking to fund your travels. It's a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture while earning money at the same time. House sitting or pet sitting is another awesome way to travel for free, or even get paid to do it. Websites like Trusted House Sitters and Rover allow you to take care of someone's home or pets while they're away. In exchange, you get free accommodation, and sometimes even a salary. This is perfect if you want to stay in one place for a while and reduce accommodation costs while taking care of furry friends. If you love photography, you can sell your travel photos online. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images let you upload your images, and you earn a commission every time someone purchases them. Another idea: if you're an expert in a certain destination, consider creating and selling travel guides. You can create digital guides or even physical ones that people can download before their trips. Working on a cruise ship is an exciting way to travel and make money. Jobs range from entertainment and hospitality to retail and customer service. If you love the ocean and meeting new people, this could be your dream job. Cruise ship jobs come with room and board, meaning you'll have everything you need, and you'll get to travel the world in the process. Last but not least, creating and selling digital products. Whether it's printables, online courses, or digital art, you can set up an online store on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify and sell products while you travel. This option requires some upfront work, but once your products are created, you can make money passively as they sell. This is a great way to generate income without being tied down to a specific location. There you have it, 10 awesome ways to make money while traveling. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, there are endless opportunities to fund your adventures and explore the world. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips, hacks, and inspiration. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these ideas you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy travels!